Hello there and welcome. Are you seeking true passive income opportunities? This is your chance to establish a steady stream of earnings through advertising, digital product sales, and sponsorships. Embrace the flexibility and earning potential of online work, where you set your own hours, determine your income, and enjoy the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. Amongst the myriad of online business ventures, top blogging stands out as the most rewarding and lucrative. It offers the unique combination of passive income, creative expression, and the opportunity to establish yourself as an authority in your chosen niche. The potential earnings are virtually limitless, and the work is both fulfilling and inspiring. Our comprehensive guide, The Journey to Top Blogger, provides you with a step-by-step roadmap to becoming a top influencer with a powerful and influential blog. We cover everything from niche selection and branding to content creation and promotion. With our expert guidance, you'll learn the secrets to building a successful blog that attracts a loyal audience and generates substantial income. To enhance your blogging journey, we're offering 3 exclusive bonuses: a cheat sheet for quick reference, a mind map for visual learners, and a resource guide for valuable tools and resources. These bonuses will empower you to stay organized, grasp key concepts, and access essential information, ensuring your success as a top blogger.